Hello, it's Green Bay Wacky. I'm going to real quick hit on something. Stay with me this whole video. I'm going to try to make it short, sweet, simple. YouTube's guidelines, and it's about Sub4Sub. It's about buying likes, views, subscribers, that kind of thing. A lot of fear, a lot of misinformation out there. Number one, I'll bet, comment in this video and tell me, I'll bet a lot of you have never even gone to the YouTube guidelines, which are behind me, and read what it actually says. There's 5 points it makes. Here's what I'm going to do to keep this video short. I'm going to put a link to this article, which is, well, it's not even an article, it's the YouTube guidelines, in this video. So I'll get the information out to you short, sweet, simple. You click on it and you can watch everything right in front of you. Take your time, analyze it. 5 points that are made in the fake engagement policy. Here they are. Don't buy views, likes, or subscribers. Starts off right there. Promoting third-party services that artificially inflate views, likes, subscribers, or other metrics not allowed on YouTube. That's simple, guys and gals. Don't go off YouTube anywhere for $5 to get 500 views on your videos thinking it'll make you look good. Same with the likes or the subscribers. Second point this article makes, don't make any videos telling anyone, or don't do a live stream either, telling anyone to go off YouTube to a certain website to buy views, likes, subscribers, that type of thing. Don't do it. Third, it does address Sub4Sub, and I'll show you that real quick. A lot of people, they're scared right now, and remember this, I'm saying this in all honesty, don't be naive. Other channels are trying to stomp out what they see as competition by calling them and labeling them a Sub4Sub channel to make you, the brand new YouTuber, scared. Because like, well, I did see some people in there saying I followed someone. You're right. Wow, I don't want to go in there. That might be a Sub4Sub channel. I'd get banned. Don't be naive. The fear is being spread to keep you away from your favorite channels because they're trying to manipulate the rules of YouTube because they figure you're stupid and don't know what they even are. So then they're like, well, yeah, I guess I won't go to that one. Maybe I'll find another live stream. And they're thinking maybe you'll end up in theirs. So don't be naive. The other thing that it talks about, mistitling videos, descriptions, keywords. You can't do that. All right. And finally, it tells you you'll get a warning, you get a strike, that kind of thing. Real quick, I'll hit a few points and I'm gone. Already says clear cut there that you cannot buy likes, thumbs up, subscribers. Now, right here, offering to subscribe to another channel's channel, another creator's channel, only if they subscribe to your channel, parentheses, and quotation, Sub4Sub. That's what it is. You're in a chat, sub to me, I'll sub to you. Support me, I'll support you. That's what Sub4Sub is. Being in a live stream where people, the host is saying, hey, get to know each other, network, take a look at each other's channels, that kind of stuff. That is not Sub4Sub. I say it in my own live stream all the time. We're not a Sub4Sub live stream. I don't care if my competitors call it that. There's music, there's engagement, there's talking to the audience. A true Sub4Sub live stream, I've been to some, would look something like this. You go in there, you'd see there's 3,000 people in the chat. There'd be no host. There'd be a sign up, subscribe to each other, and you'll see things like this going on in the chat. Type 22 in the chat. I'll subscribe back. Stay active or I'll unsub. It'll say something like, type 86 in the chat if you followed me, and I'll follow you right back. Stay active, it'll be a bunch of kids, a bunch of, things going on like that. That's a Sub4Sub live stream. Going to a channel where people are encouraging networking is not a Sub4Sub live stream. And number one, you can't get banned for going into a live stream that someone's hosting just because you're there. It's not like guilt by association. That's what they're trying to scare the crap out of you with. So, you are allowed to encourage viewers to do things like subscribe, hit the like button, share, leave a comment. That'd be you, the host, saying, hey, subscribe to Green Bay Wacky, share this out, hit the like button, da-da-da-da-da. All right, so next on the list, right here, all right, this is all about, that was just about how they determine engagement. Go read this article. I'm putting the link in the description. Do your own homework. So here we go. This is the point I want to hit on. A video that attempts to force or trick viewers into watching another video through deceptive means, for example, a misleading labeled info card. You cannot make your fuel pump fix on a Chevy truck turn into, hey, meet sexy women online. You can't put a thumbnail, meet attractive women around the world. You can't do it, all right? That would be breaking the rules. You got to say it's a Chevy fuel pump fix. People think they're clever. They think, oh, I'm just going to go to my keywords and load it up with Logan Paul, PewDiePie, Jake Paul, Philip DeFranco, all that stuff. And that way I'll probably get some extra views. Guys, you can't do it. An exception to that would be, let's say breaking news, PewDiePie gets picked up by Disney and you do a educational, hey guys, there's a news story out there that I'm following today. Well, then you could put Disney and PewDiePie in your keywords. See where I'm going with this. So I'm going to sum it up real quick. You read this article for yourself, all right? You read it for yourself. 5 points. Don't buy likes, views, and subscribers, okay? Don't make videos encouraging people to buy likes, views, and subscribers. Sub4Sub is, I'll sub to you if you sub to me. I'll support you if you support me. Not networking, getting to know each other. That is not the same thing. They say it is. They try to scare you. Again, don't be frightened. You have the right to get to know channels. You have the right to subscribe to channels. That is your right on YouTube. Don't mistitle any of your videos, whether through thumbnail description, keywords. Keep it accurate to what's going on. Finally, you can read the thing about what happens. You get warnings, you get strikes. That's it. Don't be afraid. Just get educated. Go read this article for yourself. I am out of here. I love everyone. I love YouTube. I hope this helps. Read it for yourself. I'm putting the link in the description. Bye.